Today we will make this opener for a screw conveyor. This is a opener to control our material and flow for a screw conveyor. So let's start. Okay, now we'll make starting for the part. We'll make a first sheet of opener. We'll select one plane and after that select a curve and give the dimension. Basically make sure this dimension is, after giving the every dimension, make sure this is fully defined. So now I'll provide the radius and provide one relation between horizontal relation. After that I give the width of this. This is the length of this. Basically now it's fully defined. Okay, now we'll go to sheet metal and select boss base. After that give the thickness of this, 2 mm thickness for sheet, and give the height. This is okay. After giving the height, we will apply some fillet and chamfer type of thing. Before that we apply material. Okay, now it's good. Now we'll apply fillet for every corner. Oh, it's wrong, we'll clear it. Pick this corner. Okay, perfect. Now this corner. All 4 corners we'll apply. Okay, now it's perfectly. Now make second part. First we save opener, sheet, and second. Okay. Then we select open a part file. We make one sketch, one L type of a sketch. After making sketch, we'll provide a dimension, length of the handle and height of the. Perfect. It's fully defined now. Now we'll apply the same process. Go to sheet metal. I use always shortcut for using anything. Give the direction, give all the thickness also. Reverse direction. See whether it's proper or not. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, then we'll apply the material same. Now save it. Now open it render. Okay, perfect. Now we need to make one slot over there. Basically this slot is using the it's a vertical mating in vertical direction. So this slot is controlling the opening and closing length. After giving the dimension, it's divided by 2. Okay, now we provide the edge to center. It's 10. Now edge to length. Okay, now we'll provide a cut in sheet metal. Both the feature and sheet metal cut are same. Okay, perfectly. Now we need to mate both parts together. So save and open assembly. The sheet is here. It's fixed because we always open first part, always fixed. Second we call a handle and put here. Now here we'll apply one tangent select a plane. Okay, perfect. I'm just finding which method is easy to meet together, because plate is curved and handle is flat, so that's it. After applying tangent mate, we'll apply the distance from edge to edge, end of edge, basically it's distance of height. Okay, perfectly. Now one mate is remain, so now we will apply one mate. Which mate is comfortable, but like for curve shape it's not fit. So now what we'll apply? We'll apply symmetricity. I think it's working. Now try it. Symmetricity. Okay, let's see what happened. See this plane and two slot faces and select. Okay, it's perfectly working now. So this is a handle we made. When we are assembled together all parts now, then you will understand better well. Now opener, SSM. Okay, it's perfectly good. Save it. Okay, so thank you everyone.